morning, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss Schramm's interactive model of communication. Ma'am? Yes, Miss Yabor?
I'm having a hard time understanding the lesson. Could you explain it again?
Of course, Schramm interactive models show that communication is a two-way of process. The sender sends a message, the receiver interprets it, and then the receivers give a feedback.
So, the receiver can also become the sender?
Exactly. When you respond my message, you become the sender and I become a receiver.
Ma'am,
Yes, Miss Balayman?
does that mean communication keep going back and forth?
Yes, that's correct. Communication involves a continuous exchange between the sender and receiver.
For example, if you ask us a question and we answer, you're the sender first and we're the receiver. When we answer, we become the senders.
Very good, that's good. That example of feedback.
But what happens if the receiver doesn't understand the message?
That's where feedback becomes important. You can tell me that you don't understand and I can change or simplify my explanation.
So, when I told you that I didn't understand, my feedback helped you change your explanation?
Exactly.
That means communication is more effective when both sides listen and respond to each other.
Correct.
And the sender and receiver can switch roles during a conversation.
Very good. We all got it.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I understand the lesson.
You're welcome. Always remember that communication is the two-way of process and the feedback always helps understand each other better.
So, communication is not just about talking.
And also it's about listening, understanding, and giving feedback.
Exactly. So, we demonstrate the Schramm's interactive model of communication.
So, at the beginning, the teacher was the sender or source because the teacher explained the lesson. However, the students also became senders when they ask questions and give feedback. The message was the lesson about communication and Schramm's interactive model, including its meaning and how feedback works.
The part where the student told the teacher that they did not understand the lesson, and the teacher changed the explanation and gave the simpler example demonstrate the main concept. It showed the communication is two-way because the student gave feedback and the teacher responded to the feedback.